John Van Lennon, New Zealand Sotheby's International in the Monopitch, number 41 Churchill Avenue, just across the road from the Hokowhitu School. That's got to be good. Girls High, Boys High School Zone, 41 Churchill Avenue. Just registered that one. 1960s. Got the charm, got the character, got the Monopitch, but got stone, that river stone, a real element of difference and a really quality home of its era. Double glazed, 3 bedrooms, wonderful living, a wonderful section. I know you're going to like this one. It's just fresh on the market, but call us every day you can to get inside this. It's that good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this really nice family home. Of course, number one is location, but second most of all, it's a really warm, cozy, comfortable home. All the bedrooms are good sizes, double glazes we've said. You've got that lovely log burner there, and of course, a home feels like a home when you walk into a home of this era. So call Michelle or myself anytime. We'd love to show you number 41 Churchill Avenue, Palmerston North. It's Hokowhitu, it's the location.